Hello and welcome. Today we're going to be taking a walk around Curbar Edge. I think it's going to be a bit windy today, so we'll see what happens. If this is your first time visiting my channel, thank you very much. And if you come back, thank you even more. Make sure you like and subscribe. Let's see what's coming up. In case you hadn't noticed, I've got a new coat. Exciting, eh? Bit windy up here. We've done the nice easy warm up. We've started to climb up now. So while the wind is down for a bit, hopefully, the views here are really spectacular. I hope you're able to get that from the video. So we're about a third of the way. We found a nice little hollow. We're gonna have something to eat. be surprised. I'm very impressed with my GoPro microphone. The 14% chance of rain has just started. It's quite light at the moment. Hopefully it will stay that way. I'm getting tired now. My ankle is starting to hurt. Got arthritis, by the way, if you didn't know. So let's keep going. And we're back at the car park. Yeah, that says it all really, doesn't it? It was really, really windy, and I knew it was going to be steep, but it was a lot more hilly than I thought it was going to be. But I feel great for doing it. Hope you enjoyed the video. Here's what's coming up next week. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already. Oh, and ding that bell for notifications. And hopefully I'll see you next time. See ya.